ages based questions. How do they ask ages based questions? Basically, they'll give son or daughter, mother or father in that way, and they'll give some relation between these two. Okay, they'll give some relation between these two. We have to decode that relation and come to a conclusion based on the question. That's all. Okay. Yes, if you see the questions, you will be able to figure out what it is. Done? Please let me know if everything is fine. Okay. Let's go for the first question. See what are they saying. Read it out. 5 years ago, Supriya was 4 times the age of her son. At present, she is 3 times the age of her son. What are they saying? 5 years ago, Supriya was 4 times the age of her son. At present, she is 3 times the age of her son. Then, after 5 years, how many times would be her age be of her son's age? Okay. First of all, take this condition. At present, she is 3 times the age of her son. So, present age. Okay. Present age. She is how many times? Let us take the son's age as x. Okay. Then, Supriya's age is how much? 3 times x. Yes, Supriya's age is 3 times x, present age. Now talking about 5 years ago. Okay, 5 years ago. What are they saying? Supriya was 4 times the age of her son. Okay, so 5 years ago means what will be son's age, ma? X minus 5. 5 years ago, no? Ago. Yes, back. 5 years back. So, x minus y. Supriya's age is how much? 3x minus 5. That is how it should be. 5 years back, it should be 3x minus 5. What is the condition they have given? What is the condition they have given? They said Supriya's age 5 years ago is 4 times the age of her son. So, Supriya's age 5 years ago is 4 times the age of her son. When 5 years ago, age of her son 5 years ago is x minus 5. Clear till now? Yes. Let this be first equation. Let this be second equation. See, if my age is 20 years now, okay, of course I am not 20, but still, if my age is 20 years now, okay, 5 years back, what will be my age? 15 years only. Yes. If my age is 20 years now, 5 years back, my age will be 15 years only. Whatever may be the situation, whatever may be the condition, my age will not change. Right? Do I acquire another 2 years or 3 years? No. 5 years back, it will be 15 years only. Now it is 20 years only. After 5 years, it will be 25 years only. Yes. Similarly, if you take this condition and this condition, 5 years back, Supriya's age, this is the condition. 5 years back, Supriya's age, this is what they given. What does that mean? Anyway, Supriya's age will be same 5 years back, no? That means we can equate first equation with second equation. Yes, we can equate first equation with second equation, right? So, that is 3x minus 5 is equal to 4 into x minus 5, or 3x minus 5 is equal to 4x minus 20. If you see this, how you can decode? 4x minus 3x is x. Yes, minus 20. If you send this 20 here, it will be 20 minus 5. So, right? Yes, 15. X value, we got 15. What is x value? Son's present age we got. Yes. So, son's present age is how much, ma? Is 15 years. Cool. But that is not what they are asking. What they are asking? Then after 5 years, how many times would her age be of her son? So, after. So, present son's age is 15. Then Supriya's present age will be how much? 3 into 15. That is 45 years. Yes. Yes. After 5 years, son's age will be how much? 15 plus 5, 20 years. Okay. After 5 years, Supriya's age will be how much? 45 plus 5, 50 years. Right? How many times this is more? 20, how many times you are going to get 50? If you see 20, 2 times is 40. Yes. Yes. That means it should be more than 2 times. That is 2.5 times. Yes. If you see 2.5 into 20, you get 50. That means Supriya is 2.5 times elder than her son. Yes. Is this clear? Son's age is 20 years after 5 years. Supriya's age is 50 years after 5 years. I'll write it here. It is after 5 years. Okay. Yes. So, how many times she is elder? 2.5 times she is elder. So, option C, 2.5 times is the correct answer. You all got the answer? Yes. You are not going to do all this calculation in the paper, okay, while you are attempting examination. Everything should be done mentally. Just write some 1 or 2 points. Yes, in 1 or 2 points you have to come to this conclusion. Yes, just to make things clear for you, I am just writing everything, and anyhow this PDF notes will be shared to you. So, while you are revising, this structured answer will give you a little more, clarity while you are preparing. That is the reason why I am writing everything like this. Done? Okay. Next question. 10 years ago, the age of a daughter was 1/3 of the age of her father. After 10 years, the daughter's age will be half that of her father's age. Find the ratio of their present ages. Okay. 10 years ago. First take the scenario. Okay. What are they saying? Let us say daughter's age is X. Okay. Then father's age is how much, ma? 3x. Why? They said that daughter is 1/3 of her father. That means father is 3 times the daughter. Yes. Next. So, now present ages will be how much, ma? Present means after 10 years plus 10 years. So, daughter's age will be x plus 10 years and father's age will be 3x plus 10 years. This is present age. And later what they are saying? After 10 years. So, take after 10 years. After 10 years. After 10 years, daughter's age will be how much? X plus 10 plus 10 years, 20 years. And father's age will be 3x plus 10 plus 10, 20 years. Yes. Let this be first equation. But what is the condition given? What is the condition given? They said after 10 years, daughter's age is half of father's age. Yes, daughter's age is half of father's age. So, daughter's age after 10 years is x plus 20, which is equal to half of father's age is how much, ma? 3x plus 20. Yes. So, solve this. 2x plus 40 is equal to 3x plus 20. Or what will be the answer? X is equal to, bring this here, 3x minus 2x is x, 40 minus 20 is 20. Yes. What is this 20? Age of daughter 10 years ago. Age of daughter 10 years ago. What they are asking? If daughter's age is 20, father's age 10 years ago was how much, ma? Father's age 3 into 20, which is 60 years. This is 10 years back. Present ages means x plus 10 years, no? This we have taken 10 years back. Present age means x plus 10 years. So, this is 20 plus 10 years for daughter. They are asking ratio. 60 plus 10 years for father. Yes. So, it is 30:70 or 3:7. Yes. You all understood how we have taken 10 years ago, daughter's age we thought it is x. Then father's age it is 3x because according to the condition. Fine. So, 10 years back my age is 10. Now what will be my age? 10 plus 10. Right? Same thing I have done. 10 years back my age is x. So, present age will be x plus 10. Similarly, father age also will add with 10 years only, no? So, 3x plus 10. Clear?